friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the third episode of Ellen's ChristKwan Series. Hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving, spending time with family and enjoying a yummy hot turkey dinner. Well, today I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing 7-Up pound cake. And my friends, it is so rich, simple, and easy to make. The bomb.com, and it's going to be full of lemon lime flavor, and we're going to drizzle it with a 7-Up glaze on top. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Great to serve for your Christmas dinner or any time of the year. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more pound cake recipes, check out my pound cake recipes playlist and my previous video, fried sweet plantains. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your lemons and limes, your 7-Up, and your bundt pan sugar, because we're about to bake some 7-Up pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is measure up our 7-Up. We need 1 cup, and it's at room temperature. Perfect. And look at those bubbles. And make sure your 7-Up is good and fresh. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on our other ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, I have 1.5 cups, which is 3 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Seems like a lot, but remember, we're making a pound cake. Pound cake, like it nice and sweet. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alrighty, my friends, to our butter and sugar, we're going to add in 5 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add them in one at a time. Beating after each egg. And last egg. Mix that in. Alrighty, to our butter mixture, we're going to add in the zest of a lemon and lime to give it a little extra lemon lime flavor. And our extracts, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla, 1 teaspoon of pure lemon, and a teaspoon of pure lime. And mix those in until they're well blended. Alrighty, my friends, now it's time for the final step. Over here, I have 3 cups of cake flour that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And we're going to alternate with the 7-Up soda. And we don't need any baking powder, baking soda, or salt in this recipe because the fizz from the soda helps the cake rise to higher standards, making it super light. So we're going to begin and end with the cake flour. It's going to make a smoother cake batter. All right, last of the 7-Up. And last of the cake flour. Mix it all together until they're well combined. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixing up my batter. See how whipped and luscious that is? Beautiful. I can smell the lemon and lime. And I love 7-Up pound cake. It's one of my favorites since my childhood. In fact, this was my very first cake I made from scratch from my grandmother. We would talk on the phone and I was telling her I'm going to make a pound cake for Christmas. And then she asked me, would you like to make a 7-Up pound cake? And I said, sure. So then she gave me the recipe, all the directions and the ingredients. And ever since then, I love making this. Oh, I miss my grandmother. My sweet Madeira. I know she's proud of me. Great job, Brittany Ellen. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour the batter into our cake pan. We're going to pour it in the 10-inch bundt pan, and I spread it with baking spray. And this is what it looked like. And I'm using my grandmother's cast iron bundt pan. Alrighty, so now we're going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now we're ready to put it in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to let it bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my pound cake out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. Nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to let it rest in the pan for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, time to flip the cake. Here we go. Wish me luck. Ready for the grand finale? Gorgeous! Came out nicely. So now I'm going to let it cool completely. And while that's cooling, let's make our 7-Up glaze. In my medium bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of fresh 7-Up soda. Excellent. And whisk all these together until they're well blended. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our glaze is complete. See how nice and thick that is? That's what you're looking for. Now we're ready to give our pound cake some sugar. And off camera, I line my plate with wax paper for easy cleanup. Just drizzle it right on top of the cake. Oh, it smells so good. Alrighty, so now we're going to gently remove the wax paper. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Old school 7-Up pound cake. Doesn't that look good? And we made it completely from scratch. So now we're going to let the glaze harden. And then I'll fix me up a plate. And then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, and I'm serving it with some whipped cream, or you can serve it with ice cream. Or a hot cup of coffee. And I garnish it with a lemon and lime slice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that texture. Moist and fluffy. Look at that. Have a bite. decadent. And I can taste the lemon and lime. And that 7-Up glaze is phenomenal. I'm in citrus heaven. This 7-Up pound cake is divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This is herb vanilla bite. I'm going to grab a little whipped cream. Yum-o. 7-Up pound cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.